Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to draw Itachi Uchiha again because in the previous video it didn't went well. So let's start with the 6B pencil. So guys, watch the video till the end. It's gonna help me a lot with my YouTube growth and I will be very grateful to you if you do that. And also like the video if you like it and comment your thoughts about it. I really wanna know what you guys think of my videos. So I'm gonna draw this sketch with really an easy way. You can also grab your sketchbook and pencil and draw along with me. And also, if you guys are watching my video for the first time and didn't subscribe my channel earlier, so subscribe now. I will be glad to see a new subscriber. So guys, now let's talk about the sketch a little bit. I started drawing with the hair because they're covering everything. They're like the main thing in the whole picture. So I started drawing with the hair because if we draw them first, every other thing will be easy to draw. You may not understand this thing now, but when I will start drawing the other features, you will understand it clearly. That how much these hairs are helping me to draw the other features. And guys, also I'm today in a lot hurry because there are guests at my home and I didn't get much time to draw, to edit my video, so I'm gonna do everything so quickly. And see guys, it's going well. I told you I'm gonna do better next time. And I hope you guys like it now. I really did good this time. So the hairs are finally done and let's draw the headband. And now after the headband is done, I am going to draw the eyebrows. After the eyebrow, let's draw the right eye. And just draw this line to keep both the eyebrows equal to each other. Like the right eye, draw the left eye too. And in between those two lines, let's draw the nose. They are just two small nostrils and a heart shape around them. And now let's draw the mouth. It's as simple as possible, I guess. So after all the facial features are done, I'm going to draw the jaws, starting with the chin. And now just gonna proceed according to the reference photo. And guys, let's do a little bit shading now. I'm using the same 6B grade.
And here I'm taking a 6B graphite and a bottle cap to use it on the hairs. So let's spread it all over the hairs like this.
And now I'm using cotton to blend it. Make sure to apply less pressure. And now you will also see the difference between the shading done by the pencil and the shading done by cotton. So there's a lot difference in the shade, although I use the same graphite, that's 6B. And for the further blending, I'm using a blending stump because this time I need a darker layout. So I need to apply more pressure for that. So that's why I'm using a blending stump now. I'm still using a 6B. And now I'm using a 2H pencil, and that's a very light pencil. And if any one of you still not like the video, please like it and also comment about it if I did better this time. So 2B job is done, and now I'm gonna use an HB, which is a normal pencil that we use daily for writing. And now I'm gonna use a blending stump because some parts needed to be blended. And now let me show you the magic of sketching razor pen. So using this, I'm gonna remove the extra graphite around the sketch and make it neat and clean. And in the next videos, I'm gonna draw Demon Slayer characters maybe. And to whoever who is watching this video still, type the name of any viral or popular anime in the comment section. I will try to draw them too. Thanks! After the razor pen, I'm using the ordinary razor to remove all the graphite. And our video is about to done. Let's do your signature in the end and let's go to see the final look. So here's the final look. Let's say goodbye now. And I really hope that you guys are gonna wait for my next tutorials. Bye! Watch the last video if you want to try the sketch of Itachi Uchiha.